In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Shopify authentication code. You'll typically need it when setting up two-step verification or logging in from a new device. This code is a temporary number, usually 6 digits sent to your registered email, phone, or generated through an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. First, if you're logging in and it asks for an authentication code, check where your two-step verification is set up. If you've used an authenticator app, open it and look for a time-based code tied to your Shopify account. These apps don't need internet to work. They generate a new code every 30 seconds. Just copy that code and paste it into the Shopify prompt. If you had set up SMS verification, Shopify will automatically send a 6-digit code to your registered phone number the moment you enter your password. Wait for the SMS, then enter the code in the required field. If you're using email verification, open your inbox link to your Shopify account. Shopify will send an email with the subject like your Shopify verification code or authentication required. It should arrive within a few seconds to a minute. Check your spam or promotions tab if it doesn't show up immediately. In case you've lost access to the authentication method you originally set up, maybe you reset your phone or deleted the Authenticator app, you'll need to recover your account. Click on Try Another Method or Can't Access Your Authentication Code at the login prompt. Shopify will guide you through identity verification, usually asking for confirmation via your email address or backup method if you had set up one. To set up or change how you receive authentication codes, log into your Shopify admin. In here, go to Settings, now press on Users and Permissions, then choose your profile. Under the two-step authentication section, you can set up or manage methods like SMS, email, or third-party apps. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.